Come on then.
Come on then.
Yeah. Have you ever wondered if beer grows on trees? Hey up YouTube, we're in Wales. Surprise, surprise really, because you know, Mr. Wild Wales. Danger, keep out. Well, I'm just following him anyway, so we'll blame it on him. So cute.
Ideal spot.
Yeah. I wonder how you found this.
Well, obviously you've been here before, and there's a hidden beer around the corner as well, so...
Oh, let's go get the beer.
Yeah.
See, one advantage of camping in twos is I've got someone to put the tent up for me. Oh, I'll give him a hand. What girlfriend doesn't come out without a knife? Where do you want? Just this bit here?
Yeah. This is the new self-inflating tent. This is about the best it ever looks. That's modelled by Cat.
So apparently I have to find the beer, which is hidden around here. Firewood stash apparently. Right, beer. Where is it going to be?
It's very warm.
I'm very warm.
Yeah.
Ah! Haha! What have we down here? One very dirty looking can of beer.
Emergency beer.
Oh, there you go.
Might come into you sometime. I'm just getting some dinner on the go. Going for the soba noodles. Soba noodles even. Cat's having the teriyaki. I've got yakitori chicken. Heck of a flame on this. It should be done in no time. That looks cool, doesn't it?
Huh?
Got some big flames in there now. Cat don't want to pour our water out.
No, it's just
You got to do it with the soba noodles, isn't it? It's on the instructions. A couple of beers tonight. I've got Vocation Life and Death, my favourite. Guava Hazy Pale Ale from Northern Monk. It's called Guava Have Faith. Yeah, I've done quite work, does it?
I think it works. You gotta have a faith, faith, faith. I've got to have a faith, faith, faith.
It does work, yeah.
Putting Zena's PJs on. She actually quite likes these PJs.
Pampered Pooch.
They're Equifleece. These are
Right.
brilliant. I recommend. Really warm and barely soaks up any water, so it stays pretty dry. It is kind of expensive though. Like 60 quid or something, 70 quid.
Is
I
it?
don't know. Yeah.
She's got triple layers there. She's going to be comfy on that little porch.
Morning. Starting the morning with a bit of grapefruit juice. Good old army ration. Let's see what the date is. Best before September 21.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you that.
It's alright though, to be fair. Absolutely gorgeous morning. Not a cloud in the sky. Stunning. It's roasting already, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like...
I'm topping up my tan already.
Topping up your tan from the West Island way. There's more tans than me. Old Zena.
Protecting the camp for us.
Yeah, those sheep. Those vicious sheep with the big pointy teeth.
It's like an old hidden wall under there. Long since forgotten about. That's pretty cool. I wonder what that was for. There you go. There's no excuse not to take your rubbish home, is there? You can work something out. Left as we found it. Leave no trace. Let's get the heck out of here.
Come on then.
Come on then.
Yeah, we're just going to go for a nice little walk now and go and explore.
And they exported so many bricks to Russia. The Russian word for brick is dinas. Cat's gone caving somewhere.
Ooh, scary cave. Just keeps going, this cave does. And it looks like you get to a dead end, but it goes around the corner. But I don't have a head torch, so that's quite far enough. Because I did come from down there.
Can you hear that?
Daylight. I just put my hand in like loads of mud.
That's why you need a torch for a cave.
Might not be Mr. Wild Wales much longer.
No, I think we'll change the channel name, won't we?
Yeah, might combine channels.
Don't think we should reveal the name yet.
If anybody wants to give us any name suggestions, please feel free. So yeah, I think we're going to use my channel for gear reviews and then Adam's channel for camping.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see what you guys reckon too. We'll do a couple of tester videos and see what you guys reckon, but yeah, you heard it here first. So apparently this is the old train station there. On to the next location. See you in a bit. Magically, we're somewhere else. Ah, what an absolutely glorious day. Baking hot. It's about 25 degrees. This is probably the first day of summer, isn't it? So,
Change into shorts.
yeah.
Got myself a hat, some sun cream.
Yeah, look at this beautiful little stream. Pretty. We're at our next camping destination, and what a spot this is. Let me show you. So we're going to be camping just down there.
Not a bad spot for some lunch. It's got to be a hammock spot.
I think that will work.
It's going to be good, I think.
Just had a nice little dip in the waterfall. I did have a dip, just it wasn't on camera. What you got to say for yourself?
Lovely dip. Yeah, feeling good after.
Yeah?
Yeah. First dip of the year that was. Haven't been brave enough until now.
I just feel really alive after that. That was awesome. So yeah, just gonna chill out now. Got the wine in the fridge. Steaks are in the fridge.
Since yesterday. This airbed makes it sound like your pump is broken. So this mat is actually unique here. Oh, people might be like, God, crap brand. But this is actually lasted me the whole of Snowdonia way, which was 7 days, and the West Island way, another 7 days. It's not amazingly comfy, but it's really light and does the job. The other one we got is a Climate Insulated Static V. Same thing again. I don't think the R rating is right. Kind of, they call it like 4.4. It's not really that warm. If anybody's still umming and ahhing about getting a little mini pump, these are amazing. Pumps your bed up, and now it'll hang up here. And I'll be able to lantern them for the night. I'm gonna have steak and asparagus, but it's not looking so good anymore, is it? It's going to be steak, asparagus with a bit of cinnamon porridge on it.
Just getting dinner on the go. Got some chestnut mushrooms with whole grain mustard, and then I'm just going to put a bit of grated cheddar in there. Hello. You know, obviously because we're in Wales, I went for dragon cheddar.
Hey, that's the one.
And then you like cook these down until the cheese melts basically, and oh my god, it is so yummy.
It does sound good.
And then we're going to have steak with cambazola, cream, paprika and onions like as a sauce, and some asparagus as well.
I'm getting treated like a king.
I'm actually locked properly.
All of this?
Most of it, probably like 3/4 of it. A little bit of olive oil. Start getting these on. Last bit of asparagus.
Look at that.
Oh, let's see. Asparagus so far. Yum. Okay, so we've got some cambazola. It should be gorgonzola, but it's cambazola, onions, and double cream.
That is naughty.
And then we're going to add some paprika in there as well. That was a bit silly. Yeah.
Well, only just what?
There we go. What you wouldn't do at home.
It's looking good. Don't normally go such extremes with my steak. Nathan will be turning in his grave. There's tomato sauce. No tomato sauce on this at all.
That's it.
Let's have a try the mushroom first.
How are the mushrooms? Could have done with being a bit bigger.
Amazing. Oh, I see, that was amazing.
Yeah, they are good.
We sent this cool little packable rucksack to test out. So it's from a brand called Cymraeg. So it comes as a little bag like this, so you can stash it in your suitcase or something like that. Go on holidays with it. And then it folds out. Back to front. The bag becomes a pocket inside, which is pretty cool. You can see it's now all inside out. So grab the inside, pull it out. Voila, you've got a rucksack. Let's go look. So it's a super lightweight one. Can't remember what they said the weight was, I'll put it on the screen. But it does say it's a 40 litre, right? There's no way that's a 40 litre. That's more like a 20. Yeah, I think that's going to be a good one, just to take as a day sack. Considering this is a 46 litre, that's not 40. That's my only concern. Don't expect it to be as big as you think. I'll put the link below for that. Xena slid down the hill. She nearly slid out the door. You should stop whooping other sheeps for 2 minutes, haven't you? This is the bit that sucks about having a good meal. The grass is a scouring pad.
Leave no trace, as always. All packed up and ready to go.
Shout out to these members.
Another gorgeous morning. And yeah, we're going to go get McDonald's breakfast.
Yeah, I don't really want to leave, but we haven't got any coffee, so it's essential we go and get some.
Yep. So yeah, catch you on the next one. Let us know what you think of this joint video as well. Get at us in the comments. What do you want to see? Bye.